Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on guys split screen setting and how to use it. So guys, what is split screen and how to on and use on oppo phone device? Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So when first of all open your phone setting to on guys split screen. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see your conventional tool setting. Friends, we'll click on guys tool setting. After on tool setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, you can see navigation, screenshot, screen recording. Friends, you want to on screen recording sound, so you can on and you can off your screen recording sound from here guys. So friends, scroll it friends, you can see smart sidebar. Friends, you want to on your smart sidebar, you can on, and friends you can use smart sidebar from here. Friends, split screen we will tap here and we will on from here. After on guys, you swipe with three finger to enable split screen is off. So first we will tap here. Friends, now first I will on guys Play Store. Friends, you can see where we will swipe with three finger, and friends now we can on YouTube. Friends, you can see with Play Store guys I can operate YouTube app also. Two screen friends means two app guys we can use like that on Oppo phone device guys. So guys, now I'm offline, but guys you are online, so friends you can use it. As you can see YouTube guys you don't want to use, and friends with YouTube guys you want to use one more app, so friends swipe here. And friends, now second friends you want to on your setting, so you can on phone setting with YouTube. So we can, and friends you can adjust guys the setting here. As you want to decrease guys your setting screen, you can decrease. You want to decrease your YouTube screen, you can decrease it. You can adjust according to yourself guys. So like that guys we can use guys split screen setting on Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.